Here's how to bot Telegram views instantly. I'm going to show you how to set up Telegram auto views for your channel in 2026. Let's jump right in. All right, first step is to head over to naizop.com. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, just click Login and use your Google account to sign up or log in immediately. It's super quick. Next, you need to add some balance to your account. Go to the menu and hit the Deposit section. From here, you can top up your account using your card, crypto, and several other secure options. It processes really fast. Now that you have balance, go to New Order. Click on the search bar right here and type Telegram Views. You'll see a few results, but go ahead and choose the very first option. It only costs about 40 cents per 1,000 views, which is a great price. From here, just paste your public Telegram post link into the box. For this video, we are just going to test this with 45 views. Type that in, tap, order now, and that is it. The system is working now. Here's how it went, and the views got in. I came back and refreshed the channel page just a minute later, and you can see the count has already jumped up to exactly what we ordered. Just a quick heads up on the risks. While this is great for initial momentum, technically, botting views goes against Telegram's terms of service. You need to be smart about it. Don't send huge, unrealistic amounts to a brand new channel overnight. Keep it realistic to look natural. If you want to try this out for yourself, go to Naizop using the link in the description below. It's the easiest way to give your posts that boost. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your socials in 2026. Thanks for watching.